Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Seriously Creative. So today's video is on a technique called the liquid latex hack, and pretty much what it does is it protects your piece from being ruined by overspill. So if you're doming the back, which is what I do when I put a bail on, I dome the back so it stays in nice and safe. It protects the front from any resin spilling over and ruining the front. So I just found one of my old pieces that have a little bit of overspill on it, and I just wanted to show you guys in case you didn't know what it looked like. But it's basically just a blob of resin that's dripped around from the back. So I'm not entirely sure who came up with this idea, but I'm going to leave a few Instagram links down below, and they're from people that I've seen using this trick, but full credit goes to whoever came up with it because it's such a good idea. And I got my liquid latex from eBay. I just typed in liquid latex in Australia and I pretty much bought the first one that I found, and it's worked really well for me. It's nice and thick and it was fairly well priced, so this is the one that I use. So I use a cotton tip to apply the latex. You can use a paintbrush or you can use a paddle pop stick, but I find it easier to use a cotton tip. And I just apply it to the whole front of the piece and try and focus around where the bail goes in, because that's where I find the most overspill happens on this shape. But I just cover the whole front just to make sure that there's no overspill anywhere. I've let these dry for about 5-6 hours. Just as long as it's gone like a clear, that means that it's dry. It'll feel slightly tacky still, but as long as it's clear, it's pretty much dry. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and dome the backs as usual, and then I will leave them overnight to dry, and I'll be back to peel off the latex in the morning. So you can see that the resin on the back's nice and dry, so I've domed it so that the bail stays in place and it's nice and shiny and smooth. And I'm going to go ahead and peel off the latex. So all I'm going to do is just roll my fingers over the liquid latex and it will just peel off. Any excess bits that won't come off, I can just use my tweezers to pull it out. It kind of just gets stuck around where the bail is. And you can see that the piece is nice and shiny and there's no overspill. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope it helps. It's definitely helped me with my resin creations because I don't have to worry about the overspill now. So full credit goes to whoever came up with it because it's a really helpful technique. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.